When the regime of Iran says that it wants to annihilate Israel, in its very next breath, it reminds us that it then wants to annihilate the United States. For 46 years, they have repeatedly said, and as recently as this very weekend, death to America, death to Israel. I try to tell my American friends when they sometimes will say, well, what difference does it make what happens to Israel? I'll tell you what difference it makes. Israel is the appetizer and the United States is the entree. And if we don't understand how much we depend upon each other, we will both fall. We will never allow that to happen because we can't afford to quit on each other. We need each other. We will stay together. I hear people say often that Israel faces a 7-point and a 7-front war. I beg to differ. Well, there may be 7 different servers coming out of the kitchen, all bringing a different plate, some of it named Hamas and some Hezbollah and some the Houthis. And just remember one thing. All of the plates, all of them, came from the very same kitchen in Tehran. Tehran is the chef, it is the server, it is the one who brings the poison to all the rest of the world. And if we ever forget who our real enemy is, it will be a fatal mistake. And that's why I come here tonight to say to you, we need to unite together as never before, recognizing that all roads of terror, all roads of the hideous things that Hamas has done to people like Tal and so many others, that which was cooked up to hurt, destroy, and ultimately to kill, came out of the kitchen of Tehran. And the solution is not simply to cut the twigs of the tree, but to go to the trunk of the tree and to once and for all make sure that this threat to Israel, this threat to the United States, this threat to free and decent people who have a moral code throughout the world, it must be dealt with and it cannot be ignored. And we cannot believe that simply trimming the tree is adequate when the tree must go down to the very